Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going thrifting at Goodwill. I'm on the lookout for items I can use in my dollhouse makeovers and dioramas. Hope you're not busy, because I'm taking you with me. This is cute. I think it's an egg cup. It's heavy, so it's real marble, and I think this would be great as a planter. This would make a cute coffee table or a pool for Polly Pocket dolls. This would be cute as a side table, maybe gluing on some beads for feet. These utensil holders from Dollarama are great as shelves for Barbie, but I have a couple already. What can I use this for? Maybe the base for a coffee table? This is a great arch for a backyard or an entrance into a dollhouse. It's a bit short, but you can raise it up with some wood blocks. Hey everyone, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Thank you! This is really cool. It would look great as wall decor. There's some miniature vases here, but they're all glued onto this thingy. They'd probably break if I tried to remove them. That's a cute little house, maybe for my miniature town? Nope, I think I have enough homes already. This might be a good bathtub for Barbie, but maybe it's too deep. This is a great base for a coffee table. And this would be a great sculpture for a hallway in 1/6 scale. This is a pretty frame. I think I have something similar I want to turn into a fireplace. I found a couple more of these, but I think one is enough. Maybe this would be a good clothing hamper for the bathroom, but maybe it's too small. This round piece of wood would be great as a tabletop. But it was almost $5. No thanks. I wish I grabbed one of those little cups. It would be great as a floor planter. They're so pretty. And I bought the uglier one, but it's still cute. This big teddy bear's fur would make a really cute accent chair, or maybe there's enough for a little sofa. These checkers pieces are great to use as decor in 1/6 scale, but I have some already thrifted. These big beads are great to use for lamps or furniture legs and feet, maybe as vases as well. I found one at a garage sale last year. This is a really cute dollhouse. I love the front door. I think this would be perfect for the Polly Pocket dolls. Let me know down below if you'd like to see smaller scale dollhouse makeovers. I wish I bought this one. It was only $1.50. But I think I have a couple of Polly-sized dollhouses already. that's it for this video. I didn't find too much. I think I'm more selective when it's garage sale season. I always find better deals at garage sales. Thanks so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.